Here's our question number 2. Which expression is a factor of 9x squared minus 16? Now, with this one, remember factors are the same thing as dimensions. So really what we're looking for, we need to factor this expression right here. So if we look, we've got a equals 9. B is the coefficient on the x term. There is no x term, so b is actually 0. Okay. Now, c is going to be negative 16, or that number that's there by itself. Now, let's go ahead and make our box so we can factor this guy. Okay, we'll make our box. We've got our 9x squared right here. We've got our negative 16 here. We've got a blank ready for an x and another blank ready for an x here. Okay, so now to figure out what's going to go into these blanks, we got to go 9 times 16, or negative 16. So 9 times negative 16, and do that with my calculator, I get negative 144. Ooh, that's a big one. But what's nice is that we know that our b has to equal 0. So we're looking for numbers that we multiply together to make negative 144 that are going to add to 0. So we know one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative. They got to cancel. But what's nice is 144 is a perfect square. 12 times negative 12 will make a negative 124, or sorry, a negative 144. And then if I add those two together, I get that magic 0 right there. All right, so 0 matches my b. So I've got a negative 12, I've got a positive 12. Okay, those can go in there. And so then once I know that I've got this far, now I can figure out the outside of my box. So to make a 9x squared, I definitely want a 3x times a 3x, right? Because then a 3 times a 4, or a positive 4, can give me a positive 12x. And then a 3 times a negative 4 can give me a negative 12x here. So my factors are going to be 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 4. And if we look, it just says a factor, so it just means one of them. And if we notice, here's one of them right here. That's C.